Hello, Lions, and welcome to Wayfaring Wednesday, October 16th at Linda Elementary School. I am Mr. Garcia, your assistant principal, and there is no other place I would rather be than right here at Linda Elementary School with all of you great students and great staff. I love it here. The temperature today is going to be 76 degrees, cooling, and the morning temperature will be 59. So that's going to be continuing for a couple days. So bring something light to wear in the morning. You probably don't need it all throughout the day, but in the morning, for sure. Teachers, thank you for getting your lunch count and attendance in. We always really appreciate that. A couple of extra announcements. As you know, the library will be closed today, October 16th, Wednesday. Students, if something happens at recess, let the yard duty at recess know. Don't wait to go back to class and tell your teacher. There's nothing we can do about it at that point. It has to be taken care of at recess when it happens, okay? All right. No toys or games from home. I have seen a big improvement in that, Lion, so bravo to all of you for leaving your toys and games at home. At least I have not seen any of that, so I'm very pleased by that. Food is only allowed in the cafeteria, so no eating outside in the morning area. I know that there are some exceptions here and there, but for the most part, for the general rule, there's no eating outside at lunch or at your recesses or in the morning, and I have been seeing very little of that. That has really gone away. So again, bravo, Lions, very proud of all of you. Again, what are those three words of PBIS? Because you are observing those lines. 1, 2, 3, respectful, responsible, safe. And you are being responsible by not eating your food in the mornings and by letting the yard duties know when something happens. Okay, very good. Let's read a couple roar cards. First one is Julieta in Mrs. Messick's class. Julieta loves to do her best and is very successful because of this. She is happy and a joy to have in class. And Julieta, I remember yesterday when we were playing that game in Mrs. Messick's class when I was taking care of your class at the very end of the day, you were just killing it in that game. I was super amazed seeing that. Next one is Una and Miss Daniels, being on task, always trying her best to help others. Help one person every day. That's called hope. Help one person every day. Hope. So you, Una, are hoping. Julia and Miss Daniels class, being a great role model, walking the line and in the halls. Heart, Miss Daniels, great job. Ava and Miss Papo. Ava gets this for just being awesome. Great job, Ava. Bentley and Mrs. Papo also gets this for being awesome. Thank you, Bentley. Sonia gets this also in Mrs. Papo's class, and then Dylan in Mrs. Papo's class. Great job to all of you. All right, let's take a look at our lunches for today. Our birthdays for today. Actually, yesterday we missed the birthday, so we have Kaizen Hang. He is 5 years old, and we have Evelyn Wacha, 6 years old. Very good. And then today we have Ezekiel Barriga, 12 years old in Miss Lee's class. Hannah Chang, 7 years old in Miss Hancock's class. Aiden Luna Rocha, 8 years old in Mrs. Carlson's class. Kyrie Mills, 5 years old in Miss Anderson's class. Mia Moore, 5 years old in Mrs. Nunez's class. And Bilani Vang, 8 years old in Miss Lanigan's class. Happy birthday to all of you. All right, very good. Let's take a look at what we're having for lunch today. The 16th, famous chicken bowl, oh my, with mash and corn. Planetarian bowl, so planetarian, that's going to be great. Biscuit, we're going to have some mini carrots, corn, cucumber, radishes, apple, milk. Great stuff on the menu today, Lions. Very good. All right, let's talk about a joke. Okay, kind of a joke. What did one mushroom say to the other mushroom? You're a real fun guy. That's certainly something that he could say to him with complete accuracy. Okay, so let's go ahead and stand for the flag salute. Hats off, hoods off, facing the flag, hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good, Lions. Remember, be here every day. Don't miss school, because when you miss school, you miss out. Be here every day. And remember, the world is a different place. The world is a better place because you're in it. So have a great day, Lions, and we'll see you around.